I love Asian flavours. This is a fantastic lunch or dinner. It is a spicy tuna Asian salad. Spring onions, some fresh bean sprouts. Really easy, just adding everything to the bowl. Some fresh mint. So this is common mint, but you could add Vietnamese mint if you like to. It's got a bit more of a bite to it, a bit more of a peppery taste. Fresh coriander leaves. These have all been washed in advance, which is really important. Coriander particularly holds a lot of the dirt. Vermicelli noodles. They're optional, you can absolutely leave them out if you prefer. I'm going to use my clean hands to give that a gentle mix in the bowl. Now I'll add some washed salad greens. So these are a mixture of salad greens. Carrots. A great tip, you can do these ahead of time. Pop them in some iced water in the fridge and they'll really crisp up. Saves you time when you're assembling too. And some cucumber. Really get your hands in there and really make sure it's mixed well. I'm going to dress the salad now, and I've made a lovely Asian dressing. Fresh ginger. Really good thing to know is to leave your skin on your ginger. That's where all the nutritional value is. So unless you've got really old woody ginger, then of course peel it, but leave it on otherwise. Got just a little bit of sesame oil so it doesn't dominate. Some lime juice, fish sauce. Fish sauce is used in place of salt in Asian cooking, and a little bit of sweet chili sauce and palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, then you can substitute it for some brown sugar. So this is where it's great to use my hands. I can really feel that that dressing is coating all the leaves and noodles well. I'm ready to plate this beautiful salad up. Tuna in spring water, flaked over the top. You can combine this all together in the bowl if you prefer. I'm going to finish this beautiful salad with some fried Asian shallots and some peanuts, which we just toasted in a dry frying pan. And what that does is just bring out their natural oils and a lot more flavour. This gorgeous salad is ready to serve. It smells amazing, and with this great tuna, it's going to keep us fuller for longer. Fantastic.